préndelo.
As you guys can see, the ducks are nice and hung now. Everything is up off the floor where you can actually walk in the joists now without falling or being scared to step on something you can't see, because of all the ducks used to be on the floor. They looked all nasty and ugly. Now the ducts are up hung so the airflow can flow better through them. Because you know how when you have a clogged nose, you can barely breathe. The same thing when you have a kinked duct, the air system can't breathe as much. The HVAC can't breathe. Look at me up in the attic, 40 feet above ground. You know I'm just joking. It's just like 14, 12 feet. That's probably as high as I go because I am pretty scared of heights. Look at that man. Look at that handsome man. You sure you know how to use that tool, boy? Put that tool, boy. Put that tool to work. Put it down. Put it down. You know how to use it. Just kidding, bro. You got it. Go ham, boyski. Yes, sir. Putting in I'm taking out the blocks right there. The supposedly ceramic blocks, but it's like fake ceramic. Making that hole right there so I can put a 2x4 and run a new wire, since we're relocating the wire for the thermostat. The homie Jose right there was putting some duct seal. Look at that unk right there. Made that homemade on the job site, factory made, basically right here inside with that new tool that we bought, the 3-footer, the bender. Makes magic. Look at that, works like magic. The homies right here did it on the job site. It looks so good, so professional, like if we got it made from an actual supply store. Then we had the homies wrap up the return box. Looks nice and pretty. There you go, because that's all we do here is work like if it was gonna get inspected by your mama. Not your mama, by the inspector. But anyways, some of the ducts didn't get changed. Most of all the ducts on the new addition with the 510, with the new 510 we put in, got changed. We added some returns. As you can see, it was a pain in the butt to get back in that corner, man. That corner back there was tight. I was trying to get out of there, but they were like, nah, you need to put your butt at work. Look how pretty it is. You can actually see things now. Yes, sir. The freezing tank and his crew. The freezing tank wouldn't be nothing without his crew. Yes, sir.